Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y33s and today I will show you how to record screen on this phone. And to get started you want to pull down your notification panel, expand it and look for the screen recording toggle, which for me is on the second page right over here. Now additionally this should be the default position of it. So once you find this you can hold it and this will take you to the settings where you can customize just how well the video recording will be recording. So we have options for sound, quality, touch, display touch rejection. Not exactly sure what that's supposed to be. Recording in progress, do not disturb, so when you are recording it will turn on do not disturb mode. So not very many options right here, but what I would recommend you to do is just go into the picture quality and set it to high, which doesn't really tell me much, but I assume in high settings it will record at I guess 30 or 60 Hertz, and it will be at 1080p, which I do recommend you to actually have 1080p, otherwise it might look a little bit, well, bad. Though we don't have any idea about the frame rate, so I am just guessing that it's going to be 30 or 60, one of those two, which I will find out in a second once I actually start recording. So we can either start recording from here or from the toggle itself and here. Tap on it, let's agree. Actually it opens up this anyway, so there we go. As you can see it's now recording, so whatever I'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Also apps will be recorded as well. And once you're done recording you can tap on this thing right here, select the square to stop it, and this will automatically save the recording to your Photos application. Give it a second and there we go, it just appeared. You can tap on it to view it now. Now I'm trying to see how many frames this is. It looks like 60, though as you've seen me kind of scrolled through. It wasn't smooth and the phone wasn't really keeping up with it, so I think it might be 60, but the phone is just crap at recording it. So yeah. Anyway, this is how you would record a screen on here, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.